Welcome to Tech Talks, and we are still proceeding with our scatter diagrams and the correlations. So under correlations, now we are going to look at what we are calling significance of rank correlation coefficient. When you calculate your value of Spearman's rank correlation, they may tell you to comment on your answer based on a given level of significance. Or that level of significance is called alpha, or is denoted as alpha. That level of significance which they tell you to comment or to compare with is always, or they use 1%, which is almost alpha is equal to 0. If you convert it to decimal, 0.01, or they give you 5% level of significance, which is the same as alpha is equal to 0.05. So for your calculated Spearman's rank correlation coefficient to be significant, then you must have the value of the calculated value of Spearman's rank correlation. The calculated value of Spearman's rank correlation greater than the value of level of significance, or that value which they have just given you, that is the table Spearman's rank correlation. So how do we determine this one? We shall let our CB, though CB the calculated Spearman's rank correlation, or Spearman's correlation coefficient, and call it Spearman correlations coefficient. And also we shall still let our rho T be the table or the given Spearman's rank, can call it on Spearman's correlation. I can also put rank, that's no problem. Spearman's correlation coefficient. And how do we determine the level of coefficients? So if our mu C, which we said that is the calculated Spearman's correlation coefficient, is greater than mu rho T, which we said that is the calculated Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, then this one implies that, it implies that in this relationship or in that table, a significant relationship, or a significance exists. Can call it a significant relationship exists. That's when the calculated rank correlation coefficient is greater than the table Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, or the given rank correlation coefficient, which we have said can be 1% or 5%. Otherwise also they can give you other levels of significance like other percentage, but just compare those two. And then if our calculated Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is less than the table rank correlation coefficient, this one implies that there is no level of significance, or there is no significance relationship that is existing. You can say no significance relationship exist. Or you can say there is no level 4, so you can say in that relationship. So when you do that, there you are finished commenting on your answer based on the level 4, so you can say thank you for viewing.